welcome back to my channel. Before I begin, I have a very special guest on my channel today. It's my sister-in-law, Gurveen. Hi everyone. So today we are going to try some nail art hacks. Maybe we are going to pick one or two depending on what comes out successful. So let's begin the video. So for the professional looking nails, outline your nails with petroleum jelly using a Q-tip. Let's begin. Since we were so indecisive and couldn't pick one nail paint, so we ended up using multiple colors. And also we thought, let's not restrict our creativity. So are you guys ready for the magic? Now I'm going to show you guys what not to do. So using contrast color, put multiple dots on the nail. Now use a plastic paper, lightly press it against the nail paint. Then take it off. Don't worry, that can happen to anyone. Use more nail paint and try again. No worries, we have more nails to go. So instead of pressing, let's dab the plastic paper this time. No luck. No problem. Let's do it again. So for the last one, I'm not doing nail art anymore, guys. I'm doing the nail paint waxing. I removed the nail paint from the roots. From today onwards, I hate nail art and it's the most annoying thing in the whole world. Anyways, our nail art attempt was a big failure. But listen to this, guys. So we recorded the last section before we even tried the nail art, and we are going to sound quite optimistic in this one. If you really want to try, please try at your own risk. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. We had lots of fun shooting it, so hope you're going to try these DIY nail art hacks and hope you like it, and do post the pictures if you try them, and see you guys later. Bye. Good. Yay. So that's it. Like it, and